How to save a video as a drafts in TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily save a video as a drafts in TikTok. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, just click on this plus icon at the bottom of your screen. So from over here, you can basically choose any of the time frame of your video up to how long you want. So let's me select just 15 seconds over here, and you can actually live record it just like this, or you can also use your gallery videos from your gallery section at the right section to the camera icon over here. So as you can see, I have chosen the my gallery section video, and I can just simply trim the video or edit the video as to my choice. And now to keep this video as a draft without posting it, all you have to do is just click on next from over here. So once you click on next, now finally click on this draft button over here instead of clicking on post. So just click on drafts, and your video should be saved as a draft inside of your profile. So once you come over to your profile section over here, you can see the our latest video has been converted into a draft. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.